Take a ride in the 2021 Kona. The Hyundai Kona provides a wide variety of functionality in a small SUV body. The energetic design is perfect for those looking to marry their adventurous side with their urban lifestyle. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, aluminum wheels, stability control, daytime running lights, front-wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, tires, front all season, tires, rear all season, traction control, brake assist. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.